So we've got a good start, so I'm going to play around now with some more feathers now. I think what I want to do is cut out some more, maybe some more silver, some different shapes, just because I'm going to play around with layers. It's really good to layer them. Give it a bit of body, and then we're going to talk a little bit about some feather techniques. So I'm just going to have a little play, and I think I'm going to cut out some more. Now you can use your sticker sheets here. Sometimes it's really nice to do a small feather shape, and then you can stick it in the middle of the large feather shape. So it just adds a little bit of dimension, a little bit more jazz, a little bit more colour. So play around with that, cut out some little ones, stick them on the inside, that's no problem at all. It really is your chance to just get creative, stick as many as you like, you know, and just get carnival, get creative. Okay, so just before you stick on your extra feathers, just want to talk to you a little bit about feather techniques. So you can make your feathers a little 3D looking. So all I've done here is put some little snips in with the scissors. So you can do it on as many feathers as you like, and just follow the curve. So you want to give it a little bit of an angle when you do your snips, and just follow it round. You can do 2 or 3, and you can do lots. And then once you've done your snips, just fold them back and forward a little bit, just to give it that natural feel. And I'm going to do one more. So just snip on a bit of an angle there, so bring it round, just to give it that natural look. You don't have to be even at all. Just snip away. No natural feather is even or neat, so no stress. Just fold them back and forward a little, just to give it that bit of an effect there. And place it where I know I'm going to stick it. And another effect for your feathers is just to fold them slightly, just to give them that little 3D effect. So you don't have to fold them fully, just carefully bend it in, just to give it that little bit of an effect as I've done there. Just bend it in slightly. It just gives that 3D look. So you can do that on as many feathers as you like, and then once you're happy, stick all your feathers on. Okay, great. Now they're all stuck on. Make sure you give it a minute or so, just to make sure it's set nicely. Now, it's really handy to just draw out another template number 1. Give it a good coating of glue, just to stick over the feathers at the back, just to make sure they're nice and secure there. So I'm going to give it a good coating of glue. And then I'm just going to stick it over the feathers, just in the back there, a little high up, just to make sure it's nice and secure. Give it a good rub and press down, and then give it a minute or so to make sure it's nice and set. Okay, now it's time for the exciting step, decorations. So take your gems, stick-on gems, and your gold and silver trimmings and your diamante trimmings, ready for them now. Okay, and just have a think about which ones you might want to stick on and where you might want to put them. So a carnival headdress is always trimmed around the edges, just to neaten up them sides that might not be cut straight. And that's why I said don't worry too much if it's not perfect, because we're going to trim them. So take your diamante trim, okay? Now you'll see it's in rows. Now what you need to do is just cut them into strips. So cut whichever colour it is that you want to use. Now you will need 2 or 3 strips just to go around. So cut it nice down the middle. Now these are adhesive backings, so again, just like a sticker to stick on. So just cut off as many strips as you want. You'll need at least 4 to trim the main edges. Okay, I'm just going to trim 2 more. And there's a good selection in your pack. If you want to use any of the other trimmings, you can. So you're going to take the strip that you've got and carefully peel off the back and your feet, like that. And the first bit I'm going to trim is this top arch here, okay? So I'm going to take it from behind my blue feather, just slightly, and I'm going to place it on the edge. And as I go along, I'm going to press it down as I place it. Place it along the edge and give it a good pressing down. Now you can stop just after that insert there. I'm just going to pop this bit to one side. I'm going to do the same again on the other side. So okay, so now you've got that nicely trimmed off there at the edges. It's your chance to really get creative and really get stuck in now. So you've got your diamante gems and your trimmings. It'd be nice to trim the inserts. These gold and silver ones are just sticker trimmings as well that can look really cool. And it's your chance to really explore your creativity. You know, Carnival is about colour and fun and, you know, expressing yourself, and this is your chance to really do that. Now, if you want, it's completely up to you. You can take your icon sheet here that we had earlier, okay, and if you want, you can cut them out, you know, use them as templates just like we did with the other templates, and cut them out on the glitter sheets or all your other card and stick them on wherever you feel like it. It's completely up to you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start trimming the inserts and then stick on some of my gems. Okay, so once you've blinged up your headpiece, remember you can add as much or as little as you like. Now it's time to measure the band. and make it wearable. So just try your headpiece on, check yourself out in a mirror before you stick the band. You want to make sure that you are happy with it. And then to stick the band, fold one piece in and measure roughly where you should stick it. You might need to trim the band down slightly, and that's absolutely fine. Okay, so I've got an idea of where it is that I need to stick it, which is just near the insert, which I thought for your average adult head. What you need to do is fold this piece of band down and give it a good coating of glue. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trim it down slightly on both sides. And give that band a good covering of glue. It will be a little bumpy because you've got all your diamantes on the other side. Then take the other band and just stick it over. And give it a good press. And a good rub. And then again, give it a minute or two just to set. And then you'll be able to wear your carnival headpiece. Get it? And there you have it, your very own carnival headdress. I really hope you enjoyed the video and you'll be able to wear your new headpiece at our online carnival on Saturday the 10th of July. You can find all the information on our social media sites, Facebook, Instagram and our website www.hudderscarnival.com. Thank you so much for being a part of and supporting Huddersfield Carnival's Keep the Vibe Alive project, supported using public funding by Arts Council England and Kirklees Year of Music. We really hope you enjoyed the video and it's inspired you to get more involved in the arts in future. For more information on how you can get involved in Huddersfield Carnival or Carnival Arts, please feel free to visit our website or drop us an email. Thank you!